Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Christy. It's my returning subscribers. Thank you for always. If this is your first time here, do want to click on the subscribe button. So today I want to teach us how you can create an account on Upwork. An account that will let clients see you and land you jobs. So first of all, just go to your search bar on Google and type upwork.com. So you click that and you get something like this. So if you have an account already, you fill in your details or you continue with Google. Then if you don't have an account, you see this, don't have an Upwork account, sign up here. You sign up, you click on sign up, and then it brings you here. So it begins to ask you questions, and then you click on the questions according to which category you fell in. Join as a client or as a freelancer. So of course, if you are somebody who wants to give somebody a job on Upwork, you click this. But if you are looking for a job on Upwork, you click that you are joining as a freelancer. So you tick this and then you apply as a freelancer. Then it brings you here. These are just some prompts you should read. Just a little bit is telling you about Upwork. So take your time and read this. Then now you start filling in your details here. So your first name. I've actually opened an account on Upwork, so I might not use my name accurately the way it is, but when filling this, fill in your correct name. And let me just warn you here, if you have an account on Upwork before now, don't create another one. If you try to create another account and they find out, they'll block you off on the platform and you'll not be able to create account at all on the platform, except use a different identity, different phone number and different email. Okay, so be careful. If you have an account before, you can always go back and edit it. So I have an account, so I want to be careful with the details I fill here. I will not fill my actual names the way they appear. So all right, Christy, please use your official name when you are opening one, and I'll not write my surname in full. So email, I'll use an email I've not used before. Okay, password, you create a password that is peculiar to just you. Then location is already picking United Kingdom because that's where I'm browsing from, but I want to fill in Nigeria because the phone number I'll be putting is my Nigerian phone number. Please, when it comes to this, don't lie about your location. Put your actual location. Wherever you are, you always get work. That's just the truth. So location does not matter when you are filling in your Upwork details. So I'm putting Nigeria, and then you check these two boxes, then you proceed to create accounts. Yes, so they'll send you an email. So they sent me an email right now. And all I just have to do is to verify the email. So I'll go to my mailbox. Just here. Click on the email and verify it. Click on verify email. Then it's take you back to the Upwork platform. Congratulations, your account is verified. So that is it. Hey Christy, ready for your next big opportunity. So basically, you've created this account. You can now begin to set up other things that will give you 100% profile completeness. So you read these things and then fine, you click on get started. On get started, you see some questions. Like I said, just read the questions and answer accordingly. A few quick questions. First, have you freelanced before? No, it's new to me. Our advice, you always choose no, it's new to me. Secondly, what is your biggest goal for freelancing? Click to earn my main income. There are other things, but click to earn my main income. So after you've answered that question, it brings you here. Like I said, always with the prompts. So it's asking you, how would you like to work? So click on, I would like to find opportunities myself. Just click it like this and stick good. then next, and create a profile. Nice. Let's start setting up your profile. So how would you like to tell us about yourself? So if you're active on LinkedIn, you should have your CV on LinkedIn, so you can just import from there. If not, you upload your CV on your system, or you can as well fill out manually. So if it's always good if you have a CV, so you can just upload it to fill your details automatically. So I have a CV and I'm just going to upload my resume directly. Okay, when you want to fill out manually, it's easy. Just click it and read out the things they ask you to do. And if you don't have a CV, I'll try to make video on how you can write a CV even without a job experience, and you start building your experience from there. So let's upload this. I have a CV on my system, so I'll choose file, and yes, this is it. It's uploading the CV now, and then continue. Okay, so now got it. Now add a title to tell the world what you do. This is where you fill in the kind of service you want to provide on the Upwork platform. And as I said, you can never go wrong filling a general virtual assistant. If you're experiencing other fields and you want to put that, you can. But if you really want to land a job quick, you put general virtual assistant. Next, add your experience. So once you fill it, you go to next. So because I uploaded my CV, it put my experience automatically. Okay, here it's showing me a warning because there's something I've not filled very well here. I'll just go to the pen button to edit it. Okay, which is the months I finished working from this job. Let me fill in manually. I finished in June and in the year 2022, and then I'm saving. So you are not seeing that red thing anymore. Then now add your education, because I uploaded my CV that had my education. We also have it here. So next, language, English, of course. Then proficiency, please choose fluent, okay, that you can speak and write English fluently. Click on that. Now share your skills. When it comes to skill, there are skills here already suggested. Like I said, choose skills that have to do with customer service and virtual assistant. So let me just choose some of them: communication, business, customer experience, lead generation, management skills, project management, social media management, social media lead generation, social media content. Let me just leave it at this. You can choose up to 15. Okay, so now write your bio. Because my CV has a bio, you already uploaded that automatically. Please, I'm going to make another video to teach you how to write a bio, simple, short and catchy bio. For now, this is what I have here, imported directly from my CV. Then choose your area of work down below them. So you ask, what are the main services you offer? Search for a service. So when you click that, it's going to bring out options. So click on customer service, and one of the options there. You can also click on admin support, and then click virtual assistant. You can choose so many, I think, but let's just go with 2 for now. Then you go here and you continue setting your profile. So this is Upwork. How much do you want to charge? Like I said, if you're a beginner, you might just want to leave it at $5 per hour. And I already explained before that Upwork charges 20% per each money you make per hour. Though when you click on this, explain this, you will see more about how Upwork charge their own fee from how much you make. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you might want to put something cheap so you get a job quickly. So $5 per hour. And then lastly, photo and location. I would advise to always have a very good bright photo of yourself. So I have a photo on my system that I took professionally. I just want to go and upload that. So you click this and then select profile image. It brings me to my system, and I just want to scroll down because I have an image I would like to use here. And I'll just click on that and open, and it has uploaded. So you can adjust this by adjust it like this, and then you save. So now my photo is there. my country is there, and then you want to enter your phone number. So now when you fill in that, you check your profile. It's asking for address and city. Okay, put particular city, say maybe Abuja or Lagos, but let me put Lagos. Lagos is just fine now. Then address. Okay, then you want to check your profile now. Profile, preview profile, looking good, Christy. You can now make any edits you want after now. So now you can go ahead to submit your profile, but of course you can always go back to edit if there's anything you filled or you didn't fill correctly. So now I just want to submit profile. Nice work, Christy. Your profile is ready. View my profile. So you see how it looks like. So feel like, here you go, this is your profile. Anybody who visits your profile, this is how they are going to see your profile. Okay, just like this. But there are still some things to fill. If you have certifications, like I said, if you've taken those courses, fill in your certification here, add manually. These are your job experience and every other thing. This project are for people who have defined job, like video editing and writing. There's a way you can create a project catalog, but it's not really very important here, like you create a portfolio. So we are going to skip this for now. So now this is it. Okay, now let's click how many hours are you ready to work. More than 30 hours per week. Video introduction is optional. Don't do video introduction. Hours per week. English already filled all this and all this and all this. So see public view. So guys, checking your profile now, I can see that my profile is at 60% completeness and I have 50 available connects. This your connect, like I said, can be as much as 100. So when you answer your Upwork readiness test, they will give you additional 40. So I'm going to make a separate video showing you how to answer Upwork readiness test and get the answers correctly at once. So this profile completeness can be up to 100. So let's go and try filling that and see how to make it 100. So you just want to go to your profile and start editing again. So all this pencil sign you are seeing means editing. Okay, so portfolio, just click on this. So let's just add okay, project title, lead generation. Portfolio means something you've done before. Okay, completion date, let's just put 2nd August 2022. Then go to select template, gallery, that means it's picture you can upload. Go to add details, then go to browse file to add a video or a picture. Then if it's a video, you go here, but the picture I want to put, so I just want to put any random picture actually. So let me see which one I can use. Yeah, let me use this. Let me use this. It has uploaded. Skills and deliverables optional, but let me just choose a few of that. Project URL, if it has a link, you put there. If it has a description, yes, description, you must put it. I generated leads on Instagram. Remember, you are doing this just to get your profile to be 100% complete. So go to preview. So this is what I have on my portfolio now, and then you publish it. So let's go back and see how many percent these are added to our profile completeness. Certifications, let's add manually and see what comes out. Select your certification, customer success analyst. So just choose the option that came out. Date issued, just put anything I need to say. Certificates, all these ones are optional, so just do add certification, and then it will be done your profile. So in that add certification, when you take those courses, fill in the detail of whatever your certificate says in that place. For the purpose of creating this account, I just had to fill in something here. So now let's go back to my profile and see how many percent completeness of profile that I have. Yup, so right now we have 100% profile completeness and 50 available connect. Like I said, connects are what you use to apply for job. It can be as much as 90 or 100. So I'll make a quick video now on how to answer Upwork readiness test. Once you answer that, your connect will be up to 90 at least. Okay, see you guys. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.